Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get Discord token on mobile. Begin by opening the browser on your mobile device. This can be any browser you normally use. In the search bar, type Discord token JavaScript. Look through the search results and find the link that goes to github.com. Once the page loads, you will see a block of text at the top. This is a JavaScript code. You need to copy the entire text from this box. Carefully select and copy all of it. Now, you need to open Discord. Do not use the Discord app. Instead, open a new tab in your browser and go to discord.com. Log into your account on this website. Once you are logged in, you will create a bookmark. Look for the bookmark icon in your browser's address bar. Tap on it and select the option to add the current page to your bookmarks. Next, go to your browser's bookmarks list. Find the new Discord bookmark you just created. You need to edit it. Look for the menu option to edit this bookmark. When you edit the bookmark, you will see a field for the URL. The current URL will be for the Discord website. You need to replace this entire URL. Delete it, and paste the long JavaScript code that you copied from the GitHub page earlier. Save the edited bookmark. The process is now complete. To get your token, you simply need to open this edited bookmark from your bookmarks list while you are still logged into Discord in your browser. When you open the bookmark, a blank page will appear. On this blank page, your account token will be displayed. You can then copy it for your use. Thanks for watching.